Paying close attention to safety is a major importance in the kitchen. A kitchen is full of possible dangers, including being burned or cut. When working in the kitchen with a person with dementia, it is very important to be proactive. You know the old saying, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure? This could not be more truer than now. Vision and lack of understanding and judgment may diminish abilities in the kitchen. To help with this, knives may need to be locked in a drawer, out of sight, out of mind. Handles of pots and pans will need to be placed away from the front of the stove. A stove may need to be unplugged if the person is becoming dangerous in their cooking abilities. Even microwaves usage may need to be monitored. There are many extra tools, including food processors, slicers, blenders, and many more that may need to be put out of your loved one's sight to prevent injury. Supervision in the kitchen is required by the middle stages of dementia. A person with dementia may want to assist a care partner in preparing meals and snacks, but should not take on the full responsibility of doing so. Pay attention to what your loved one is doing. Give one-step instructions at a time. Demonstrate so your loved one knows what to do. Labeling cabinets and drawers with pictures and words may also be helpful during the middle stages.